Welcome to Subaru of Gallatin, where we do things a better way, your way. And that includes taking care of your Subaru with expert service and top quality parts.
Oh, hey, my name's Carrie. Let me show you our service department.
Step inside our state-of-the-art service shop, where our Subaru certified technicians treat your vehicle with the precision and care it deserves. From routine maintenance to major repairs, we've got the tools, technology, and talent to keep your Subaru running like new. Need parts?
Oh hey, I'm Ray. Let me show you around parts.
Our well-stocked parts department has exactly what you're looking for. From essential replacement parts to the perfect accessories to make your Subaru uniquely yours. Our friendly team is always here to help you find the right fit for your vehicle. At Subaru of Gallatin, we make servicing your vehicle easy, efficient, and stress-free because we believe in doing things a better way, your way. Schedule your next service appointment today and experience the difference at Subaru of Gallatin, located at 1395 Nashville Pike in Gallatin, or online at www.subaruofgallatin.com. Subaru of Gallatin, where we do things a better way, your way.